Chiquinha. Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so welcome to my channel. This is Get Sidetracked. So basically what I do is I just take my camera and I just basically get sidetracked wherever I am. So I'll give you an example. I'm gonna take this, let's kind of flip it around and you can see where I'm at. And I'll make some commentaries about it, and sometimes I'll zoom in on structures and I will let you see what I'm seeing. And I won't talk about that because you'll have to come and check out the channel if you want to see all the kind of stuff that I'm doing. So I'll just take it and kind of look around a little bit. And you can even see, like, you can try to guess where I'm at. You know where that tower is at. And that's basically Get Sidetracked in a nutshell. Get the camera set up and alright, so there you go, Get Sidetracked. So that's the channel right there, Get Sidetracked. So subscribe, like it, check out as many videos as you can and make some commentary about it. I'm filming.
Chiquinha.